Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am here to review the Sony WH-CH710N headphones, after using them for 1 month. So far, I couldn't say that I am impressed with them. Their sound quality is not too good. The sound is too deep, and not as crystal clear, compared to other headphones I use, even cheaper ones. Not only this, but the mobile app provided by Sony cannot connect to them. Too bad, Sony has not made their app compatible with this WH-CH710N model. It is a joke that the previous model, WH-CH700N model, was compatible with the app, so you could use the built-in headphones equalizer to modify the sound quality according to your requirements. WH-CH710N is a newer and more expensive model, but is not compatible with the app? Seriously, Sony? So, you cannot use a built-in equalizer to improve the sound quality in a way that affects all devices and apps you use the headphones with. If you use a music app that provides a multi-channel equalizer, like Spotify, you can use specific settings to make the sound quality better. But for other apps, without an equalizer, you are literally out of luck. Now, let's have a look at the buttons. On the headphones, we have the usual volume control buttons, marked with the plus and minus symbols. And between them, the button that pauses and restarts music playback. Well, do you see this NC and AMB button? It controls the ambient sound mode and active noise cancellation. You can switch between 3 modes. Active noise cancellation. This ensures the maximum possible reduction of ambient noise. Normal mode. This switches to passive noise reduction provided only by the cushions of the headphones. Ambient sound on. This passes the ambient sound directly into the headphones, so you can clearly hear all sounds around you, like you are not wearing the headphones. To be honest, I was very satisfied with active noise cancellation, as it was able to filter most of the environmental noise, and I could enjoy my music without distractions. Also, ambient sound mode works fast, and there was not any slight delay or lag between the actual environmental noise and the noise I was hearing on my headphones. Let's check the other side. Okay, here we have only the power on and off button. You can switch the headphones on and off by long pressing it. If you quickly press it, while the headphones are on, a female voice informs you about the current battery level. Also, the USB-C charging port and the sound input port, to use the headphones with a standard jack 3.5mm cable, can be found here.